So once again, 4 products in the range, and there is a new addition to the products, and this is the Cashmere Finishing Setting Powder. You want to have a real life filtered effect? This is the product for you. It's not supposed to be a powder, it's a setting powder for the finishing. Try this and you'll be amazed at how amazing the finishing is. This time round, I'm only coming out with the one highlighter kit. It took me a while to figure out the colors because I wanted a neutral, beautiful, glowing color that is suitable for every skin type. From the palest pale to the darkest dark, this will be the highlighter kit for you. I am proud to announce and excited to let you know the new formulated liquid highlighter. I listened to all of you guys, I listened to every single makeup artist, and I have formulated the magic formula. And it comes in 2 shades, Dream and Blush, and you'll be magically impressed by what these can do to the skin.